Hello everyone, welcome back to Market Glitch. My name is Dion.
Hi Dion, Volker here.
Hi Volker. So last time we deconstructed the RSI indicator. What do you want to do this time?
I actually want to turn it into a strategy and want to see how it is doing. What if we buy every time the RSI is below 30, we buy the stock for, let's say, $1,000 or a certain percentage, and then if the RSI goes above 70, we exit one position every time the RSI is above 70.
Okay, I think I get it. So like a scaling in and then scaling out.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so let's use WealthLab Pro again here, backtesting software, and let's create a new strategy using the rule builder. So first we want to buy at market when, we'll go to conditions, RSI, when RSI is oversold. And
Yep.
what period do you want to use for the RSI?
Let's use the standard one, which is usually 14. I think lots of people use 14.
Okay, so 14, and then the oversold level is 30, right?
Yep.
And we want this strategy to maintain multiple open positions because you want to keep
Yes.
buying it whenever it's below 30.
Yep.
Okay, so then for the sell, what is our sell condition?
The opposite, if the RSI is above 70.
Okay, so RSI 14 is above 70. That should do it. One problem, the rule builder strategy will sell all of the positions as soon as the RSI goes above 70. So I'm going to need to go into the code and tinker with that a little. So I'm going to convert this to a code-based strategy. I'll save it. So here's the C# code for the strategy, and I need to go look at the exit loop here. So this loop is controlling the exit of the strategy, and when the RSI is above 70, it's going to sell all of the positions. So what I'll do is, as soon as it sells the first position here, I'll just break out of that loop. So that's just a standard C# programming syntax here. And so we'll save that, compile it. And should we run it on one stock to take a look?
Yeah, let's test first whether it's doing what we want it to do. So
let's go to our trades. There's trades here, so that's good. So here's a bunch of entries as the RSI is below 30. So that part's working. And then we scroll over here and we see a bunch of exits, one after another.
Wow, cool. Yep, that's how I wanted to see it. Excellent. And with just one word, this was accomplished. That's good. Really good. Love it.
Okay. So now that we have the strategy created, what universe of data do you want to backtest this on?
I think we can just test it on the Dow 30 just to see how it's going.
Okay, and what about position sizing?
Well, I said at the beginning, let's use $1,000 per position.
Okay.
And then we probably should get most of our trades.
Starting capital 500,000?
Yeah, so that we make sure that we get all the trades.
All right. So here's the result. Let's look at the equity curve.
Yeah. So that looks pretty good, I think.
It looks pretty steady. However, it does not outperform the benchmark. Yeah, SPY comparison. Okay.
But what if we increase? What if we make the position size dynamic? Let's say we use 0.5% on every trade, because then we use more. Our position size would increase if our equity increases.
Okay, yeah, let's go with that. Do you want to go with 0.5 or 0.3?
It doesn't matter. Make 0.3 so that we get most of the trades.
Okay, here we go. No, what do you think? Here we go.
Okay.
That looks better.
Yep.
But
Looks much better.
still some pretty steep drawdown right here during the 2008 crash.
Yeah. Let's compare the drawdowns in the performance tab, because I want to see what's the drawdown for the buy and hold.
Looks like the buy and hold drawdown was 56%.
Yep. So the drawdown of buy and hold was larger than the drawdown of the strategy, but the profit of the strategy is definitely larger than the buy and hold strategy, right?
It is, yeah. Let's look at our Sharpe ratio. 0.72. Its Sharpe ratio is below 1, so usually we like to see that above 1.
Yep.
So I think maybe we need a little more work on this to maybe try and make it less volatile. What do you think?
Yeah, there should be maybe some additional rules, some simple additional rules. I like it very simple. I don't want it to be complicated. So yeah, I could think of a couple, and maybe we test that on our next session.
Sounds good. Looks like we're off to a good start, and we'll see what we can do with this going forward.
Okay, cool, excellent.
Thanks everyone. If you like the video, subscribe and click the like button. See you next time.